A passport is one of the most mandatory documents whenever you are traveling abroad. Whether you are traveling abroad for education, pilgrimage, tourism, business purposes, medical attendance, or family visits, you need to have a passport with you. Well, in recent years, foreign travel from India has been increased a lot, and that has led to the rising demand for passport related services. In case you are also planning a foreign travel, then you need to have a passport for the same. But if by any means your passport is damaged or torn, then you can apply for a passport online too. You can apply for a passport online at the official Passport Seva website that the Ministry of External Affairs launched in 2010. Passport Seva enables simple, transparent, and efficient processes for passport delivery and related services. So, if you wish to renew or apply for a new passport, then we have mentioned a step-by-step process for the same. So, first of all, visit the Passport Seva online portal and register by clicking on the new user registration link on the homepage. After this, you need to log in to the Passport Seva portal using your registered login ID. Now, click on the Apply for Fresh Passport or Reissue of the Passport link as applicable. After this, you need to fill in the necessary details in the application form and submit. Now, click on the Pay and Schedule Appointment link on the View Saved or Submitted application screen to book an appointment. Well, online payment has been made compulsory for booking appointments at all PSK or POPSK or PO. Online payment can be done using any of these following modes: credit or debit card, internet banking, associate banks and other banks, SBI Bank Challan. Now, click on the Print Application Receipt that contains details like application reference number or appointment number. You need to note that alternatively, an SMS having your appointment credential is also accepted as appointment proof during your visit to the passport office. After all these, visit the Passport Seva Kendra or regional passport office on the day of which the appointment has been scheduled along with required original documents, following which you'll get your passport. Well, these were the easy steps to apply for passport online. We hope you like this video. For more such latest news and updates, do like and subscribe to our channel India.com.